to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today I have a super fun video for you guys. I have been going to my local thrift store for the last about month and a half, and I have found some pretty awesome stuff that I wanted to share with you guys. So you guys can always know to check out your local thrift stores or garage sales even to find some goodies, because you never know what treasures you're going to find. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It's completely free and it helps me out. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button and join my family. I would love to have you. I'm at like 532 subscribers. When I get to 600, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So help me get there. Let me get there by sharing this video, liking, commenting, and subscribing if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into my favorite goodies. So I want to start off with my absolute favorite thrift store find. It is this gorgeous robin egg blue mason jar with lid. It was $4, and it still even has a price tag on the bottom from whoever, not price tag, but the SKU number from whoever they bought it before. But I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. It goes in my kitchen, and it even twists off, and you can store stuff inside. So that is my favorite find. And continuing along with the whole kitchen thing, I found this really pretty yellow colander. I mean, look at how big this is, guys. Like, it's huge. Anyway, so I bought this. I believe it was $3. The tag is gone. But I got this because I thought it'd be so cute to put like fruit in, like apples and peaches and all that kind of fun stuff to put out on my counter with fruit. So I got that. Super cute. Then, so I wanted, at the Dollar Tree, it was on my wish list, they had like little versions of pots like this. But they were little. They were like little versions, and this was $1.50, and look at how pretty it is, and look, it's pretty big too. So I bought that to put some fun stuff in, and actually what I found to put in it at a different shopping trip, it was $3, was this beautiful bouquet. It's actually like really tall, but look how pretty this is. And then I figure I can just like take it and shove it in here. And then look at that. So for $4.50, I have this little beautiful decor piece. How cool is that? So I love that. I found this really nice, it says Ashland container. It was $1.50. It's this really pretty blue pitcher that I thought would be pretty to put some floral in as well. And then this is also one of my favorite finds, was one of these baskets. I have been looking for these for a while. It was $1.50, which I think is a really good deal because, again, it's super big. Like, let's measure how everything is by my head. That's our standard of measurement today, guys, is how big it is compared to my head. But I thought this was super cute, so I'm super happy that I found that for $1.50. Actually, no, let's continue with some kitchen stuff. So this was also a really good find that I got for my front porch. I have a table out there. It is still new. On the back, it says, I don't know if you could tell, it says $29.99, and I paid $3 for it. And it's this gorgeous winter table runner that I'm going to put out front on this wooden table that I found for $15 at my local thrift store for Christmas time. I think that'll be super pretty. I also got, this was $2, and it still has like all like the wrapping in it. I think you could put like silverware in it, or looks like it maybe had bottles in it at some point. But I thought it was super cute, maybe to store like paints or brushes or whatever I want to put in it, maybe in my craft room. I thought that would be super cool. And it has this really nice wooden handle. I think that's everything like kind of kitchen wise. I found, you guys know, I have a thing for bird cages, and I found this yellow one here. I don't like the yellow. I'm actually going to spray paint it white, and then probably put a candle with some greenery in there. I think would be so pretty. This was $3, and it actually has a tag on the bottom that says $14.99. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. You can't. But anyway, it was $14.99, and I only paid $3 for it, so score for me. And this I got, I think this was a Creative Memories piece. It was $2. It has like a decor stand, so you can stand it up, or you can hang it up, and it is magnetic. It has like a little magnet on there. So you can so essentially the whole concept was to make like a layout, a scrapbook layout that you put inside, and then you can hang pictures on it. So I thought that was super cute because I have a magnet collection. When we lived in England, I got magnets from all the countries that we went to and visited. So I thought this would be a super cute way to put my magnets on and then hang it up in my craft room with some of my favorite magnets that I got when we were traveling. Okay. Oh, so this is kind of an odd find. So this I got, it was $1. They are just metal measuring spoons. I got these because there's a crafter, I can't think of her name. I'll link her channel down below. She made wind chimes using metal spoons and metal colanders and stuff to hang outside. It was so cute, and I thought it was so cute and adorable. So I got these. I'm hoping to find some more to maybe do some kind of rustic farmhouse wind chimes for the spring. I found this star. Oh, these were $1. And then I found this metal star for 75 cents. It's super pretty. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I couldn't leave it behind. Are you guys like that? Do you guys go into thrift stores or garage sales and you see something cool and you just I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to do something? That's what this was. I also found, I have a thing for candlesticks too. This was $1. Just a wooden candlestick. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to do something. I have an idea in mind. I saw, I think it was Upcycled by Bree. She put Christmas, a faux greenery in here, like a little tree. I don't know. I'm going to try it. We'll see how it goes. It'll be in a thrift flip video for the holidays, so keep your eye out for that. I got this little sign here that said simply. I'm going to redo it. I just liked it because I like the base. You can also flip it over too, which I think would be super cute. And this was $1. This one I got because it has this really cool finial on it. And look, it's completely white on the background. It does say be kind, which is sweet. But it was only $1. But I'm definitely going to do something for this for the holidays, I think. I found this super cute. Look at this, guys. It's a little sled. It was 50 cents. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to do something maybe so it's hanging up, maybe. And then maybe do some greenery on here with some bells or something. I think that would be really cute. And then along the holiday season, I found this really cool sled. It was $1.50. These parts are metal and this part is wood. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it this way or I'll paint it, but I thought it'd be really pretty as a centerpiece on a table with some greenery and a candle in it. We're getting down, towards the end. Oh, and stay on the holiday theme. This is another one of my favorite finds. This was, look at that. So it was marked 1998 from Holiday Time, which I believe is Walmart. Yep, it says walmart.com. But it's this really cool deco mesh wreath. I'm actually going to take the snowman off, but leave the rest because I really like the snowflakes in the red bowls. The snowman's just not doing it for me. So I think if I take the snowman off, I think it'll give it a little bit more of a high-end look, removing the snowman. So this one was only $3, guys. It was $19.98, and I paid $3 for it. As my dad would say, you can't beat that with a stick. And then the last few items are some other crafty bits and bobs. So this was a stationery set. It just has some paper and some envelopes, 75 cents. I thought would be super fun to do some crafting with, since I'm paper crafting now with Constance from Butterfly Mom Creations and more. I'll link her channel below, but I'm sure you guys know who she is because most of you guys follow her and Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict, and that's how you found me, so thank you. And I also got this sticker book. It was 75 cents, and it has, look at how gorgeous these stickers are. So it has that. It has smiley faces, like little to-do. Trying to find some other pretty stuff. Oh, it has like the weather. Keep track of the weather. Speaking of weather, how's the weather like for you guys? We had our first snow last night here in northern Utah. We had a light dusting of snow on the ground. When I got up this morning, it is now cold. So we went from summer to 2 weeks of fall straight into winter. But that's okay. And oh, look at these pieces. So yeah, so there's quite a bit of stickers in here that I got for 75 cents. 600 stickers. What a deal. And then the last thing I purchased, I haven't even opened this up yet. It was $1. It looks like a homemade, like, paper craft that somebody made. I hadn't honestly, like I said, I haven't even opened it. I bought it because I thought it looked like super cool. So let's go ahead and open this up together. Oh, wow. So it looks like they use a brown lunch bag. So there's the front. They did, because look at that. And then there's the inside. Aw, you guys, somebody took the time. Oh, look at this, it opens up. To make this, and it was at a thrift store for $1. That's sad. Oh, look at the edging too, like the edging on the paper. So you could put stuff in there. That's fun. And then here's another piece, look, another page that lifts up. This is so cool. Oh, look, and here, this one opens up. Like a junk journal. You guys, look at how pretty that is. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. And then it has the ribbon on there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but this is really pretty. This is fun. I might add some more stuff to it and maybe put some favorite pictures or write some favorite quotes in there. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I can't believe it was only $1. I mean, the stuff that they used alone was more than $1, and then the time it took to make this, well, whoever donated it, it's got a great home now. But anyway, that is everything that I found at my local thrift store over the last month or so. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Definitely keep a lookout because I'm hoping to post not 1, not 2, but 3 videos this week. Hopefully I can do it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm trying to get my videos out there. I'm trying to get into the algorithm so people can come and check out my channel because as I was talking with Constance today from Butterfly Mom Creations and more, I want my channel to be, and all my projects to be attainable for everyone. I want them to be stuff that anybody can do, no matter their skill set, no matter what they have, and I don't want you to have special tools or Cricut or saw or whatever to use because power tools is just a trip to the ER for me. But anyway, thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you have a marvelous week, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.